What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have a Ford F-250 outside that we're going to work on real quick. I'll say real quick. Hopefully it's real quick. The throttle position sensor isn't working right, and then when you're getting on the interstate, the truck will not downshift. You have to manually command it to downshift, and which is a problem. It can be a serious problem because sometimes the pedal doesn't even work, and you're flooring the truck, RPMs ain't going nowhere, and you got to command it to downshift and get the RPMs up so you can get going faster. And it is an intermitting problem because this morning I had it happen to me one time, and then yesterday it didn't happen at all. I didn't even know there was a problem with the truck. And it's one of the things we like to do here is to drive the vehicles as much as possible before we sell it, so we know the vehicle is good when it leaves here. So I'm gonna walk you guys through on how to troubleshoot it. It's an 18-page troubleshooting procedure. So I'm gonna walk you guys through it, and hopefully we can figure this out, and hopefully it's not an ECM problem, because all over the internet, people that have this problem can't seem to figure it out. They replace the throttle body, they replace the pedal, they replace various sensors, and none of it fixes the issue. So hopefully this one won't give us too much problems. Alright guys, so this is our code P2127, and there it is on the scanner. Going through the troubleshooting here, this is our connector we have for the 6.2 F-250, and this is the troubleshooting, or the pin outs right here for it. Everything's coded, and that's the whatever. So we hooked up the scanner, and then we plugged in all these onto the scanner and activated the foot pedal. Obviously AP2 or APP2 is not working. It's staying the same. These are the voltages you should expect out of the sensors on the scanner. Same thing with this one. And this is our problem. This one is not moving or coming up. And it's this one right here as well. We're stuck at the low end of the voltage range. So working through this here, we're going to go to 4, and then here is the pin numbers with the voltages I received, and then I also ohmed them all out to chassis ground to see if any wires were broken, and they are not broken or touching ground. They could be touching somewhere else between the wires, obviously, but in this case, it is going to be the pedal sensor. There's really no point in keep troubleshooting since we do have everything at the pedal sensor, right? So we're going to get a new pedal sensor ordered. Hopefully you don't have to buy the whole pedal. I don't know quite yet. So yeah, that's this one. Now we're going to go back to the 2500 because that one still has issues, and I left off the video on that one, and I want to conclude the video. And if you guys don't know, that is what we're working on right here, this sensor. And what you're going to need to even troubleshoot this, you're going to need a multimeter. Then I got a bunch of cords, and then you do need something very small to get into the sockets without destroying them. So I use this, and then I'll also use the old paper clip just to touch the pins, but do not shove this into the pins, because then you're going to create another problem.